My beautiful girl, Gerda. So good to see her. Every morning I'm nervously waiting for her. After what happened to her brother, I'm paranoid. Today I was lucky she was already waiting for me, actually sleeping on a chair. She only one who doesn't live far, so periodically throughout the day, I hope she has more chance to eat because in the morning all other cats are taking food from her. They're not friendly. Right, Gerda? You done? Stay safe, please. Gerda. Gerda, I love you. You know it. Please stay safe. Beautiful girl.